there's nobody here. I'm really dreaming I want to be someplace like this. What do you want to do, huh? You don't want to go in the water and go swimming? The rhodas are in full bloom. He likes going down there by the water. Geez, going in the water. And then he goes down the trail. That there are bear claws on a tree. So I hope we don't meet him. I think the camera is finally warming up. We got some big, beautiful mushrooms around. But I see there's still some halo around, so the camera isn't quite defogged completely. He's getting there. He likes swimming. This is an awesome trail with all this water on it, and it's just full of pools. I'm sorry, it's in a fog. This is what happens when you go for a hike on a steamy hot day and you have to drive an hour in a 40-degree air-conditioned car. I find it hard to believe we've been hiking for about an hour here and the camera is still kind of fogged over. But this is a nice trail. This is the trail we hiked early in the spring that you could not get through because of all the branches. I brought the chainsaw. We started at the end that has the waterfalls in the swimming hole. So I'm really surprised nobody's in that swimming hole, because The campground is full. Whoa, whoa. I didn't like that rock. But we've gone quite a ways in. Probably too far to go back out and get the chainsaw now. I should have brought the backpack though, because it's got all the gear in it. And it's got my bathing suit, which would be nice since we're near this beautiful water source with all these beautiful pools. No, leave the stick. Oh, geez, he found a stick. Get going. Yeah, now what are you going to do? Go. Maybe I should use the stick, but I think it's rotten. Go. He's not very understanding of stepping from one rock to the next. Oh yeah. Somebody's done some work to clean this up. Because this, I remember this log was across the trail. I see some evidence of bikers on here though. I'm not sure you're supposed to bike on this trail. But if you remember, they were biking down the other trail, which was a damn gully. But there's nice spots right along the river where you could just kind of picnic out. Get! Yeah, somebody's done some work. Oh, nice. We could probably hike this all the way up to the top again, which I'm not up to today. It's like so hot and so humid. Although I did notice on the car thermometer it was only like 79 degrees here, but the humidity is at least 1,000%. It's rained here in the last couple hours. I mean, there's water running off everything. There's all the bushes are wet. And we've heard a couple of trees fall down. It's like, you know, there's tons of these dead trees, and we've heard a couple of them go crashing. Thankfully, trees in the forest usually fall kind of slow. You usually have an idea of which direction they're going in, and especially if you're on a trail, to get out of the way. At least that's the 2 or 3 times that trees have fallen around me before. He's carrying that stick. I don't know how long he's going to carry that stick. See, he drops it here. Here it is, right there. And he comes back and gets it. See, he wants me to pick it up. But I'm not carrying it for him. He's got to get it himself. So I'll kick it away. Ow! And then he hits me in the leg with it. Oh, he broke it between the trees. He has gotten big. He had Caesar's chain collar on, just like this one he's got, only it was purple, and he's grown out of it. I mean, that's what Caesar wore when he was full grown, and it was too tight for him. I couldn't get it over his ears anymore without some pain, so I figured I would take it off and give him a bigger one. And I wasn't hoping he'd get big. I was hoping he'd be a nice small dog that easy to cuddle with. But he has no trouble cuddling. He still climbs in the bed at 5 in the morning and throws his body against mine and cuddles up. Silly dog. All right, we're gonna hike. We are going uphill, but I think I'm getting in shape because I'm not breathing as hard as I usually do. Although this is hard work because I'm bending and crouching and kneeling and crawling and all sorts of things. So we'll get back to you in a minute. Oh wait, what are these? Fungus. Aren't those cool? They're bright orange. I don't know if the camera picks that up or not. Alright. I hate to say, but you know, these little backwoods pools are so inviting. And it's deep, as he's finding out. I mean, that's your... Might as well have just gone in with him. Go get it! Go get it! Go get it! You can swim! You can swim! He says, I don't see it. It's not worth wasting. Ooh, he's swimming for the stick. He's swimming for the stick. No, come back here. Caesar, Akela, come. Come this way. Bring the stick. He says, I'm out of the pool. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come. Come. Come on. Come. Oh, there he comes. Good boy. He says he's not happy about having to do that. Good boy. Seawater doesn't hurt you. Well, I was thinking of stripping down and going in there with him, but you know what? He makes the water all muddy. He does too much kicking up of the mud on the bottom. We'd have to go to the waterfalls, but I don't think I can just strip down and get in there. I'll have to put on a bathing suit for that. But this is an ideal spot for skinny dipping. If any of you are into skinny dipping and all, I used to do it a lot. Don't know how long these have been here, but they're pretty cute. This little valley here goes through these rhododendrons, and it's a pretty big cliff, but then there's a waterfalls way up there that I don't think I can get to without hiking boots and stuff on. But it's really quite pretty if I get on top of this rock where I can't get up there with the camera. I think this is some kind of fungus growing on this stick. It's pretty cool. Little tiny fungus. We can keep Akela from running over it. Little tiny things, and there's another one way over there. See it right there? Hard to see him on the viewfinder here. And there are puffballs all over the place. Here's a puffball. Old one, of course. It's all dried out. He wants to go swimming. He likes the water now. Down into the deep. He says it's nice and cool. I wish I could get it. There's a little millipede. See him? He's running away. He's running away.